Never in my wildest dreams would I have thought that I could have had success this quickly. I've been in that course for it was at the end of June, and then I didn't actually take action in regards to launching my campaigns in Facebook until just last week, which was November 12th. So yeah, it took me that long to finally get the guts enough to, pull the trigger and launch my campaigns. And I am so kicking myself for not taking action sooner, because the very first day I made $100. The following day I made nearly $200. Then I jumped all the way up to nearly $900. It came in at like $877. The following day it was over $1,000. Never in my wildest dreams would I have thought that I could have had success this quickly. The type of mentor that Robbie is, he is always within the group answering questions. I've never seen anything like that. I've been in so many courses, and the mentors usually take off, or they disappear, or they have somebody else answering questions on their behalf or whatnot. But Robbie's in the group every single day answering questions. And it doesn't matter, your knowledge level in regards to affiliate marketing or anything like that, from beginners to more advanced people. There's all of a range of people in the group. The whole group is very supportive. I'm on my way to almost a $6,000 week for the entire week. I mean, in less than a week, I've made that much money. It's crazy. It's crazy. So I can't wait to see what the next week brings. And so if you are on the fence, or just get out of your own way and join, and hopefully you will, and hopefully I will see you inside the group. All right, take care.